What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Here we talk about dividend investing, dividend stocks, cashback apps as well, and passive income. Today we're talking about why dividend investing. Why should people get into dividend investing? And before I begin, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not getting financial advice. I'm just telling you how I view dividend investing. And again, I'm not getting anybody financial advice. You do what you want to do with your money. But make my story short, I downloaded the Acorns app almost 3.5 years ago, and it was 4 years now. And I had the app, and then I got a dividend. And what is a dividend? And I looked on Google to see what it was, and I didn't know that stocks pay you money to hold their stocks. I didn't know that companies out there will pay you money to hold their shares. I had no clue about that. And then once I learned about it, I started to go really hard at dividend investing. I went hard during the March 2020, where everything just dropped. I really was going hard then in dividend investing. So why dividend investing? Why I believe this is the best way to make money in the stock market, versus buying a stock that does not pay dividends or pay very little dividends but want more growth. I'm not against growth investing. I just feel like a lot of people don't know. If people would have known, I don't think people know that you can get paid to hold stocks. That's the number. I think everyone has a general idea of the stock market. Before I had Acorns, I believe that the stock market was you buy stock, shares of a company, and you only make money when you sell. That was the main thing. And a lot of people don't want to do that. It's because they might pick the wrong stock. They may pick a stock, lose all their money. They have put a lot of money into it. So if a lot of people knew that you can own stock and they pay you, most of my stock pay monthly, more people will be into it. Why dividend investing? Why? Number one is passive income. It's the easiest passive income you could ever get, in my personal opinion. Besides having a job or having a side hustle or real estate, I think dividend investing is the easiest way to get passive income. It's the easiest way to make money. And that is a good thing. And I didn't know about dividend investing until I was in my mid-30s. So I was already past the boat because I wasn't taught this. But you get paid just to hold stocks. And I'm like, they can pay you every month to hold stocks? I could build this thing up to pay my phone bill. And the way the government and people talk about 401ks not even worth anything, Social Security is going away, inflation, the 401k is dropping down in value. And I believe that, you know what, I really need to go ahead. All this commotion, I really need another income stream coming in that I don't have to work for. I don't have to go to a second job. I can build, and the good thing about dividend investing, you can start slow. You can start with a few dollars. People who I talk to about dividend investing, I start with $20. Throw $20, $5, and 40 ETFs and stocks. I give them four I like, and it's easy for people. It's easy to get in. It's easy to get out. It's nothing I got to throw in $100 or I got to buy the stock and hold the stock to make money. Because if the stock price is going up, when do you sell? Do you wait and hold the line to go much higher, or take your wins from there? Dividend investing for me is a passive income stream. And my goal was to make, when I first started this channel, I wanted to make $500 a month in dividends. Now I changed that. My last month of June of 2023, today's July, I made 346 last month in dividends passively. I didn't have to do anything. I just got paid those dividends. And I could use $300 for whatever. I could have bought groceries or pay my phone bill or put gas in my car for the whole month. I have done a lot with that money, but I chose to reinvest all that money to make more money. So my ultimate goal was $1,000 per month. Now think about it. Now, what if you could make $1,000 per month passively? Will that help you and your family? Will that just make life a little bit easier? Will that take care of your light bill and your phone bill? Because my ultimate goal is within the next 10 to 15 years, my dividends cover my living expenses besides my written mortgage. So if they pay my light bill, my water bill, and my cell phone bill, and my internet bill, and credit card bill, if they can pay 4 to 5 to 6 different bills monthly, I live a better life. I have eliminated 4 of my or 5 of monthly bills, because you can be 95 years old, 100 years old, and you still have bills. You will always have bills to pay. You will always have bills to pay. I think in taking 10 years and investing to get those monthly bills done with pretty much forever is worth the time. It's worth the effort and money. And the good thing about dividend investing is the money I spent 3 years ago when the market crashed and during 2020 in March, everything was half off, and like Main Street Capital was right now it's at $40, $39. I was buying with $15. I'm still getting paid from those stocks I bought 3 years ago. I'm still getting paid dividends today. So I love that fact. I love it for kids as well. Dividend investing. My son has an account, custodial account. I throw $25, $50 a month, and been doing it for almost 2 years now, and he has his portfolio about $2,000, and he makes about $12 per month in dividends, and it's super passive. I don't have to watch it. I just make sure the dividends roll in and it's reinvested, and it's great for children. If you start your kid off 4 or 5 years old, I mean, you can throw in $10. You can throw in, and the good thing about dividend investing is that it has so many cons. It has so many pros. That outweighs the cons, especially for a child. The cons are you might get dividend cuts, dividend suspension. They might lower the dividend. They might suspend the dividend. Those are the biggest fears. They might take your monthly dividend and make it to a quarterly. Those are the main fear of dividend investing. But if you're a kid at 5, 6 years old, it don't even matter, because kids can take hits and they can't touch the account till they're 18 and 21 years old, so they can take hits. I love dividend investing. I think dividend investing should be great for children, because you could do dividend investing plus dividend growth investing all on the same platform. You could do 80%, 70% dividend stocks, 30% dividend growth stocks. So their account is growing over time, and they're getting passive income. And you could buy fractional shares for kids or yourself. You could buy a fraction of a share. You could put $5 in Main Street Capital, which is $40. But you could put $5 into it, and now you're getting 1 or 2 cents per month. But they're getting that for the next 18 years, and your money in the stock market is always working. My money I put in 3 years ago is still working today. That's what I like about it. It's like real estate, your money is still working for yourself. And the last thing I like about dividend investing, anyone can do it. Anybody. No matter how much money you make, you can get involved. You can throw in $1. You can throw in $5. You can throw in $10. Anyone can start this. If you have a full-time job or any job, if you have a job in income, you can do this position yourself. You can start a position today. It's not like real estate or traditional real estate. We have to find a property. You might have to fix it up, get a loan, find tenants. Well, I'm not saying real estate is bad. I'm wanting to get in real estate myself. That's where the big money's at. But I'm talking about someone who's young or somebody who's my age, mid-30s, want to start something now, who don't want to go into real estate, who wants to, it's people who don't want to go into real estate, who want that passive income, passively, dividend investing. Somebody want to start something. No, I'm going to put money in something, and savings account is not as great. You could buy some monthly dividend or dividend stock ETFs and get paid every single month. And anyone can do it. Anyone can do it. I got my son involved. He's 4. He does it. He don't know the companies, but he likes McDonald's. I say, look, what stock you want to buy? What company you want to own? And he'll name some. I give him a list, and I tell him, no, they're going to pay you every quarter, every month. So he's involved in it as well. So I'm gonna get my other son involved. There's a newborn now, so I'm gonna get him set with an account and throw in that first $10, $25 in his account and let that snowball start rolling. It's easy, it's hassle free. You don't have to check your account never, because you don't care about the stock price. You want that stock price to be low so you can buy more and get more passive income. And I think dividend investing is a great way to, even if you're in real estate or have a side hustle at a full time, you want multiple streams of income. So even you had a full time, you had a side hustle, and you're in real estate, having a dividend income stream is not going to hurt anything. That could be 4 income streams coming in. The dividend stocks will reinvest itself every month, every quarter, so you don't have to touch it. It's very hands off. It would teach you discipline on money. It would teach you how to, don't buy dumb stuff. Pretty much invest your money smartly. It would help. It would teach you about money, because when you see that first dollar come in, you'd be like, wow, I can make $10, $20. I get to $100. And you look at my dividends here. That's my mindset. My mindset was like AJC, $22. At one point, it was paying me 12 cents a month, and I built it up over the past 3 years. I built it up. This is exactly what I did. And the next will load up. You look at Armor is my biggest holding at $104. But and you know what? Everyone starts at the same place. Armor originally repaid me $104. They pay me over $100 a month in passive income. I don't gotta do anything. The money comes in, it gets reinvested. I buy more shares, and the next month more money. Okay, it's passive. I could take the $100 and put gas in my car. My cell phone bill is $85 a month. I could easily pay my phone bill if I wanted to. I don't have a phone bill never again. I just cash out, take that $104 and put on my phone bill if I wanted to. So why dividend investing? Those are the reasons why I love dividend investing. And my new goal was $1,000 per month. Just imagine you have $1,000 coming in through a portfolio like this, and you could buy what you want. You could buy, I want me a smoker. I want me new shoes. I want me new outfits and clothes. And I can do that with a dividend portfolio. You could take out $500 and you could put back in $5. You can take out $800 out of your portfolio, take $200, put it back into the market, pull $800 for yourself, and use it for whatever. So that's a great passive income stream that anyone could do it. You can start with $1 from Robinhood, and it's easy. It's just, again, that's my personal opinion. I'm not giving the financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is what I'm on my mind. So this is why this channel is the Dividend Stock King, because I love dividend stocks. I love getting passive income. Between this one, that's $140 off the rip from Armor and QLOD right here. That's $104 right there. So imagine you had a bill. Your cable bill is $130. Well, that pays every month. You don't have to pay that bill no more. That bill is paid, and that frees up your money. Okay, and that's $27 here from RRC here. I mean, it's $32. This is a special dividend I got from Major Capital, but they gave me $32. That's not a lot of money, but you add this with that and the 37 to 40, the $104. You're talking about what? That's $50, $60, and it's over $100, not $190. I mean, it adds up pretty quick. So that's why I love dividend investing. So if you want to get started in dividend investing, you could start with a brokerage account with Robinhood. You can sell $1, and you can just take $5, and you put $1 in every different stock, and get started. All you do is get started. Get that first dollar rolling. If you have kids, I encourage you to start their own dividend portfolio. Not getting financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I encourage people to start investing for their kids and also teaching for their kids. That way, they'll have a mindset of saving and investing versus just spending all their money. Start their portfolios after they're small. One more thing before I go, I read an article. I saw as a video. If you put in $25 every 2 weeks, which is $50 a month for a child that's turned 9 years old, by the time they retire, they'll have over $400,000 in their portfolio. So that's at 9. Okay, my son's 4. I've been doing this for a year and a half with him. So you can imagine, now you see, he's 4, they're saying 9. That's 5 years, 4, 9. So you're talking about he'll be at $800,000 per month, maybe $1 million portfolio. I mean, who knows? But again, that's something to think about. For your kid, you do $10, $5. Stop buying them expensive shoes. Put in some stock, something that they can't break. My son breaks a lot of toys, and I'm like, man, I could do that in the stock market. That $30, I could do in the stock market and get paid today. And he could get paid today. If you want to start your journey, I have a link below for Robinhood. Click the link below. Money Time for the Dividend Stock King. Thanks for watching.